One of the creators I watch on YouTube, Cody Warner, has coined the phrase, no small creator. And it has really caught on to be a big concept. There's an Instagram hashtag that's no small creators. There is now a Facebook group, no small creators. And I think it's a good concept. And today a group of the people from the Facebook group had all agreed to post videos about what no small creator meant to them. And while I'm a little late getting this video done because I just joined the Facebook group this morning, didn't know anything about this when I went to bed last night, I thought I would go ahead and do a video and explain what the term no small creator means to me. Now, most of this has nothing to do whatsoever with blacksmithing. It has to do with creation. And of course, as blacksmiths, we are creating all sorts of things. But a lot of the people doing this are simply YouTube creators. And if you want to see more of Cody Warner's work and see what he's all about, and find some of his original videos discussing the no small creator concept, I'll link to that right up there. As far as I'm concerned, the idea of using one's imagination and skills to create something is as old as mankind. You find old cave paintings and drawings, you find things chiseled in rock, you find little sculptural pieces that predate any known history. Mankind has been creating for the sake of creating for millennia. And I believe that that is an important part of what makes us human. We get to create things of beauty, things of usefulness, things that spark our imagination, things that evoke emotions, lots of things that you can create. As a blacksmith, of course, I'm creating all sorts of things out of iron and steel. Today, I quite literally have an axe to grind. Actually, I have 3 axes to grind, and 3 adzes to grind, and 3 adze handles to make, and 5 throws to grind. And that's just part of what I am working on creating today. But how does that enter into that concept of no small creators? Well, really, from a production blacksmith standing, I have a small shop. I'm a one-person shop. I don't have employees. I don't have room for employees, nor do I really want employees. So this is a small business. But does that mean the things I create are small? Does that mean my ideas are small? Does that make me a small person as a creator? Of course it doesn't. If you are using your skills, you're using your imagination, you're sparking your creativity, and you're doing something with it, that's what matters. It doesn't matter if it's a huge piece of work or a small piece of work. It doesn't matter if you create 1 or 2 things a year or 10 things a day. The fact that you're experiencing that part of the human experience to create things either for yourself, for your family, or for everybody on the planet, that's what matters. Just being in the shop and being creative is really what matters. Whether it's something you make just with your hands, whether you use tools as we do in a blacksmith shop, whether you're a wood carver or a wood turner, a furniture maker, whether you sculpt in bronze, sculpt in stone, if you are a musician, if you are a painter, if you are a sketch artist, if you write novels, if you write poetry, if you are creating, then you are part of the process. You are not only enriching your own life, you're enriching the lives of those around you. And I think that has value. And no creation is small, no creation is irrelevant, no creation is insignificant. So regardless of what level you're creating at, whether you are high production, low production, whether you're a beginner, whether you're an expert, your creations matter. Most of you watching my channel are blacksmiths or are interested in blacksmithing. So I hope you can get out to your shop today. I hope you can create something using your imagination. No creation is small. No creator is small. Just go for it, but have fun doing it. Stay safe. Wear your safety glasses, and we'll see you for the next one.